got these little birds nesting. He's got some moss in his beak. And I think these are an Eastern Phoebe or Phoebe. These little guys. You know, I'd hate to do this, but I want to go inspect their nest really quick. They have these incredible mud nests. Just look at all the materials woven in. Mosses and sticks and grass. Some of those mosses are actually green. They're just building this nest, so that's all I'm going to show you for now. I think they're complete. Look at this masterpiece of a nest. Their nest is so beautiful. I want to see if we can peek in. Can you see those eggs? That's all I'm going to do. I don't want to spook them too much. Look who's out of the nest. It's our little baby Phoebe. He's kind of taking a little walk to the edge of his territory there. I'm not going to get much closer because I don't want him to get startled and fall. But that's great to see that he's getting his feathers. He's really starting to explore. Pretty soon he'll be flying around. That's so cool. I can hear the parents calling out here. They're watching me. There she is, right there. It's okay, Mama. That's really cool. See you later, baby.